So as you can see, I have another Disney package, and I really wish they had this at the Disney store when I went, but they didn't, and I was really upset. So then the Disney store online had a discount, and I got it for a good price, so I definitely did it, which definitely go check out that, because the Disney store and the Disney store online both have really good discounts and just sales going on, so definitely check out. And I forget what it was, but it didn't say free shipping, but I basically got free shipping because what it added up to, it took away the shipping part. So locally this item was like $14 on the website, and then I paid an extra $1 because of tax, and then the shipping was free because of discount. So it was super nice. So anyways, if you can tell by the title, it's Tinkerbell. It's from the collection. I cannot wait to open it. These are just so cute with all the princesses and stuff. But Tinkerbell always been my favorite. I mean, she's a fairy. I really believed in fairies, and I love Tinkerbell. So I thought this would be so cute to have, and then eventually I can pass it on when I have a baby girl. So yeah, that would be really cute to get. Yeah, I can't wait to open. So, and this item kind of took a while to get here because I actually ordered it close to Memorial Day. So during that whole weekend, I didn't hear anything and I was getting worried. But yeah, so here she is. She's in here. I'm gonna open y'all. Here she is. Oh, she looks so cute. It's a lot bigger than what I expected it to be. Aww. So here she is. Here's Tinkerbell. Oh, this is so cute. Look at her. Her dress keeps flying up though. But this is what she looks like. Super, super cute. Sorry about the lighting, guys. It's dark outside. I was walking today and I really wanted to open her up since I've been waiting forever to get her. And then here's her cute little shoes. And then this is the back of her cute rings. And she's super cute. I think she's absolutely adorable. The only thing that bothers me is her dress keeps flying up. I think it's just because of the way she was packed. But hopefully I can keep it down. But yeah, this is the detail. It's like sparkly. So yes, super, super cute. And then this is her tag. And then inside, it actually says stuff inside, which is really cool. So yeah, so celebrating the Heritage of Disney Animation with the Disney Animation Collection, created under a guideline of the Walt Disney Animation Studio, Pixar Animation Studio. Most we own imagination and designs. These young of our favorite characters are brought to life with creation and mentality. Ugh, I cannot talk. But yeah, she's super cute. I definitely recommend. And then the collection, because they have like the Disney princesses, they have like all of them. I think the wool one is really cute, but I decided just to get Tinkerbell for now because I really love Tinkerbell. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I know this is like a short video, but I just really want to unbox her and show you guys. And sorry about the lighting. Again, it's dark outside, but I really wanted to open her now because I've been waiting for a while, like I said. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up.